6. Okay. So today we are going to solve the problem based on E naught cell. This is one question. Last class I have explained you the cell potential, its mathematical calculations, mathematical formula, everything has been explained in the last video. So we will solve certain problem based on this. The question says, write the symbolic representation. From here question starts. Okay. This is one note. I will explain this now. So write the symbolic representation of cell formed by using the following standard cell at 298 Kelvin. Write the cell representation, net reaction and calculate E naught cell. Okay, now here two rods are given. One is zinc and another one is silver. So you can see the value here. It is the zinc reduction potential value is given is minus 0.76 volt and reduction potential value for silver is 0.8 volt. Now I told you the problem should be solved only by the reduction potential value itself. So you have to solve the value with E naught cell with reduction potential value, and in the question at present reduction potential value itself is given. If the oxidation potential value would have been given, then we should have converted in reduction potential value with the relation that the value for oxidation and reduction potential value are same in magnitude but opposite in sign. But need not to worry about that. At present we have a reduction potential value. So we will proceed the problem. Here, so now first you have to see the reduction potential value of both the electrode given. As it is seen here in zinc, the value is minus 0.76 volt, and for silver it is 0.8 volt. So this value is less, means it will act as anode. Yes or no? And this will act as cathode. So lesser the value, I written here, lesser the value is anode, and at anode what occurs? Oxidation. So zinc will undergo oxidation and similarly silver will undergo reduction. So let's start the problem. At anode Zn plus 2 electron. Clear? Now what I have? At cathode I have silver. So Ag plus, here 1 plus means it can gain only 1 electron and convert into what? Ag solid. Now I have to cancel out the electron. Here the electrons are 2, but here the electron is only 1. So I have to make the electron as 2. So what I have to do? I have to multiply this full equation, this cathodic equation with 2. So I will multiply them 2 here. So what I will get here? 2 Ag plus 2 electron 2 Ag. These two electron get cancelled and answer will be Zn plus 2 Ag plus and Zn plus 2 plus 2 Ag. Okay, so I have written the net cell reaction. Now I will write the cell representation. For cell representation I told you that at the anodic part should come on the LHS side and cathodic part should come on the RHS side, and both the LHS side and RHS side should be separated by a salt bridge. So who is at an anode? Zinc. So Zn will be converted into Zn plus 2. These two lines in salt bridge. At cathode what did you have? Silver. So it will come at cathode Ag plus slash Ag. Sir, here 2 is given. Can I write here representation 2? No. In representation just you have to show the anodic and cathodic portion. Need not to write down the moles. These moles will be useful in the Nernst equation. Okay. This is aqueous. This is solid. This is aqueous and this is solid. So this is the cell representation. Next question says standard cell potential. E naught cell you have to calculate. So E naught cell formula is E naught RHS minus E naught LHS. Clear? So what I have at RHS? At RHS I have Ag plus, or I can have another formula also, E cathode minus E anode. Everything has been discussed in the last video. So E cathode. At cathode what I have? I have silver. So E0 Ag plus slash Ag. So here 2 are there. I have to consider here 2? No. You should not consider here 2. Clear this part? So E0 Ag plus minus E0. What I have at anode? I have at anode at zinc. So Zn plus 2 slash Zn. E0 Ag plus what the value will be there? 0.8 volt minus what the value for zinc? So this minus is from the question itself, formula itself, and the value for zinc itself is minus. So what I will do, I will open the bracket here, and then minus 0.76. So what I will do, 0.8 plus 0.76. So multiply, add it, I get the answer as 0.76, 0.8. So 6, 15, 1. Answer will be 1.56 volt. So you can copy out. So here I have next question, a problem based on E naught cell. Write the symbolic representation of the cell formed by two half cell at 298 Kelvin. Write the cell reaction, cell representation, and calculate. So what I have to do? I write down the cell reaction, means net reaction, that is anode, cathode, and net reaction, cell representation, and I have to calculate E naught cell. Here, two cells are given, that is one is magnesium, another one is cobalt. So you know, same logic, less value will be anode, and in anode oxidation occur. More value will be cathode, and cathode reduction occur. Point number 2. See, here you can see here both the values are given the reduction potential value itself. Because in reduction, ions will be converted into its solid part. So here the reduction potential value are given. So need not to worry about it. Okay, so we'll start the problem. So here, who is less? So here minus 2.37 and minus 0.28. Who will be less? This value will be less, means it will act as anode. And this will act as cathode. Yes or no? Because minus 2.37 volt is more less than the minus 0.28 volt. I hope you know this now. Now what I write down? I write down the reactions. So at anode what occurs? Oxidation. So magnesium will undergo oxidation. So at anode, Mg plus 2 electron. At cathode I have CO plus 2, means it will gain 2 electron. CO means cobalt, it is not copper, okay? It is cobalt, CO. CO solid. Clear? Now, net charge transfer. See here how many electrons are there? 2. Here also 2. So net charge transfer is 2. Need not to multiply as I done in the initial question. So 2 electron get cut. So what I will write down? Mg plus CO plus 2. Here I write down Mg plus 2 plus CO. So this is my net cell reaction. Now I have written down the cell representation. So you know cell representation at anode side. Sorry, at LHS side anode will come, and at right hand side cathode will come. So who is here anode? Magnesium. So magnesium slash Mg plus 2 salt bridge CO plus 2 slash CO. So this is your cell representation. Okay, this part is solid, this part is solid, this part is aqueous, and this part is also aqueous. Clear? Okay, now we write down the calculate the cell potential E naught cell. So E naught cell will be equal to E naught RHS minus E naught LHS. What we write down? E cathode minus E anode. Who is at the RHS side? Cobalt. So E0 CO plus 2 slash CO minus E0 Mg plus 2 slash Mg. Okay. What is the value for cobalt they have given? That is the minus 0.28. Clear? This minus is from the formula itself. What is the value for magnesium? Minus 2.37. So minus means bracket will come, and magnesium value is minus 2.37. This minus is from the formula, but the value itself of magnesium is minus 2.37. So here will come minus 2.37. So minus 0.28 plus 2.37. Now you know here minus plus minus bigger number side. So answer will come in a plus. So 2.37 minus 0.28. 2. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. point. So answer will be a plus 2.09 volt. Right up. Clear? So this question is very important and likely to be asked in the exam. We'll solve the rest of the other problems also. Clear? Okay, you can take a screenshot. I will go with another question right on. If you note down another question, the question is the potential of cell is 3.17 volt. Clear? At 25 degrees Celsius, if E0 Ag plus slash Ag equal to 0.8 volt, then what will be oxidation potential for standard Mg plus 2 slash Mg half cell. Okay, and so cell reaction, cell representation they have given. The cell representation says Mg plus 2 slash Mg salt bridge Ag plus slash Ag. Here they have got 1 molar salt. Hope you have the question. Yeah. I hope you have written the question. Now see, we understand this question. The potential of the cell is 3.17 volt. Means they have given E naught cell. Total E naught cell of the cell they have given. That is 3.17 volt. At 25 degrees Celsius. E0 Ag plus slash Ag they have given. So E0 Ag plus slash Ag is how much? 0.8 volt. What will be the oxidation potential for standard Mg plus 2 slash Mg? Oxidation potential. We know we can solve the problem with reduction potential itself. When we will solve the problem with reduction potential itself, answer will also come with reduction potential. So what you do? First you solve the problem with reduction potential value, obtain the magnesium half cell in terms of reduction potential value, and then convert into oxidation potential value. And you know the relation also, that oxidation and reduction potential value are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So we will start the problem. We know that E naught cell equal to E naught RHS and as E naught LHS. Who is at RHS? Silver. So E0 Ag plus slash Ag minus, who is LHS? Magnesium. So E0 Mg plus 2 slash Mg. Clear? Now you see here the potential of the cell is 3.17. So here this answer will be 3.17. Therefore 3.17 equal to E0 Ag plus Ag, they have given the value is 0.8 volt minus E0 Mg plus 2 slash Mg. I did a what? I did oxidation potential for Mg. So here the value will be getting reduction. So what I will do first, I will determine the reduction potential value for Mg and then I will convert into oxidation potential as per the formula. So this portion will come here and that portion will go that side. So E0 means it will come here and this will go that side. So E0 Mg plus 2 slash Mg equal to 0.8 minus 3.17. Now you know plus minus minus. So bigger number sign. So answer will come in a negative. So 3.17 minus 0.8. Here 7, here 2. 11 minus 8 means 3. 2.37. So answer will be minus 2.37 volt. This value this value here obtained is for the what? Reduction potential value. But I need for what? Oxidation. So I know E0. Now see here, this is oxidation, because in oxidation molecule will be converting into ion. So oxidation potential value is what? Like they are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So oxidation potential will be minus of reduction potential value. So no, oxidation potential value will be what? Minus of reduction potential value. So here minus. What is the value for reduction potential value for Mg? Minus 2.37. So this minus is for the formula, and reduction potential value for Mg itself is how much? Minus 2.37. So in bracket minus 2.37. So answer will be minus plus 2.37. So this will be your answer for the magnesium for oxidation potential value. Copy out, or you can take a screenshot. Clear? It's a very simple question, and you can solve it yourself only. And see, practice this problem as much as possible. In LLS you can find many problems based on this E0 cell, because this is the basic for the further questions. In this chapter is mainly based on the numericals. Clear? So I will go to the next problem. Okay, similar type of question. I hope you written it. So you can copy out the question. The question says E0 cell of electrochemical cell. Right on, this is a very important question. Electrochemical cell are given below. In that first question is Ag/Ag plus salt bridge Cu plus 2/Cu. For this cell, E0 cell, they have given minus 0.46 volt. Second they have given is Zn/Zn plus 2 salt bridge Cu plus 2/Cu. And for this they have given E0 cell as 1.10 volt. Clear? See, question is very not bit complicated but tricky. They have given here E0 cell of electrochemical cell. So two cells they have given here. Here they have given two cells. This is the first cell, this is the second cell. Okay, and then they ask you to calculate using this information. Means using these two information we have to calculate E0 cell. We have to calculate E0 cell for Zn/Zn plus 2 salt bridge Ag plus /Ag. So E0 cell for this cell. So here they have given this two different electrochemical cell. For each different electrochemical cell they have given E0 cell value, and then they ask you to find the E0 cell for this cell using these two. So how to solve this? See here. What to do? You have to equate this equation as we are doing in standard 10 for a pair of a linear equation in two variables. Now understand one thing, I need E0 cell for this portion. So first we will evaluate here. E0 cell for this portion can be what? E0 cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. For this cell, who will be the cathode? Ag. So E0 Ag plus /Ag minus E0, who will be the anode? Zn plus 2. So Zn plus 2/Zn. So I got E0 cell in this fashion. Okay. Means somehow in equation I have to get by using these two equations, I have to form the equation of this fashion, of this manner. Okay, if I get this, using these two equations, if I get the fashion of these two, like E0 Ag plus slash Ag minus E0 Zn plus 2 Zn, that is nothing but what? E naught cell. This portion is equal to what? E naught cell. For which cell? This cell. So what I will do, I will start the question from here first. See, I have here Ag slash Ag plus Cu plus 2 slash Cu. For E naught cell, write down the E naught cell, and here E naught cell will be E cathode minus E anode. I am doing for the first portion. So for the first portion, who is the cathodic part? So cathodic part is E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu. Anodic part is E0 Ag plus slash Ag, because you know you should always write down the reduction potential, standard reduction potential. E naught cell value is how much? Minus 0.46. So you can write down this equation as equation number 1. Here I write down for the second equation. Second equation says E naught cell equal to E RHS minus E LHS. In second equation, who is the RHS part? Copper. So E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu, and at LHS part, what I have? I have Zn. E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn. And for the second cell, what is the E naught cell value? 1.10. So this will be forming equation 2. Clear? Now, what I will do? I will solve these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. How I will solve? See, in lower classes, in standard 10, we have done the pair of a linear equation in 2 variables. Now I need E0 Ag plus slash Ag minus Zn plus 2. So this copper should be eliminated. This copper should be eliminated. How I will eliminate the copper? What I will do? I write down these two equations and subtract it. So see here, E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu minus E0 Ag plus slash Ag equal to how much value they have given? Minus 0.46 volt. Second equation I have E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu minus E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn equal to 1.10. Now see here students, I need here E naught cell for this cell. I need it Ag plus Ag and Zn. So I need silver and zinc. So I have here silver and I have here zinc. But I don't require copper. So what I will do, I will eliminate, or I will solve these two equations. I will do the subtraction. So subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So here this plus, I am subtracting. So what I have to do here? Subtract. Equation 1 and 2. So here plus means minus, this is plus, this is minus. So this portion will get cut. So here what I will get? I will get minus E0 Ag plus slash Ag plus E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn equal to minus minus, see this is minus value, okay, this is equal to, and this value was minus. So minus minus, what I will do? Addition. The sign remains minus. So 1.10 and 0.46. So answer will be 1.56. Your answer will be 1.56. But student, you focus here. I need E0 Ag plus Ag minus Zn. So here minus silver I got, but here silver is plus. But here I got is minus. So what I will do? I will take here minus common from this equation. So if I take minus common here, so E0 Ag plus slash Ag, here it is plus. So if I take minus common, it will be minus, because minus minus plus here. So E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn equal to minus 1.56. Minus minus get cut. So this is the answer. Therefore E naught cell for the required cell is 1.56. Okay, because we know E naught cell for this reaction, clear? For this cell, and for E naught cell, formula for this cell was E0 Ag plus slash Ag minus Zn plus 2 slash Zn. So here this minus, this two term minus equal to E naught cell for this cell. So I got here E0 Ag plus less Ag minus E0 Zn plus 2 Zn equal to 1.56, which is equal to what? E naught cell, for which the question is required. So answer is how much? 1.56 volt. Hope you got it. Okay. Next question we will solve based on this type only. Clear? That is a one MCQ type of question. See here. I hope you have written this. Okay. So next question we will solve. The question says the standard cell potential of electrochemical cell. What is the question? Electrochemical cell constructed using chromium and sodium E0 for the chromium they have given Cr plus 3 slash Cr equal to minus 0.74 volt, and E0 Na slash Na plus they have given 2.71 volt. Clear? And they ask you to calculate E naught cell for the reaction. Clear? I guess question number 4. See the question here. This Cr means chromium, belongs to developed element. The standard cell potential of the electrochemical cell constructed by using. So we are making one electrochemical cell using what? Chromium and sodium. Yes or no? So chromium reduction potential value they have given. You can see here. Reduction means what? Ion is converted into molecule. But if you see the sodium, in sodium they have given the oxidation potential value. See here. And I told that always the problem will be solved with the reduction potential value only. So first part of the question says convert this sodium into the reduction potential value. This is the oxidation potential value. So you have to convert into what? Reduction potential value. And you know the relation between the oxidation and reduction potential value, that is equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So first I will convert this sodium into reduction potential value. So therefore E0 Na plus slash Na equal to minus 2.71 volt. I will use this Na plus value. Why I have converted into reduction potential value? Because every problem is solved by reduction potential value according to IUPAC. Clear? So now we have to just calculate E naught cell. So how will you sell the E naught cell formula is what? E naught cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. Yes or no? Now you know one who is less anode. Now see less value for what? Reduction potential value. So now see I have this chromium reduction potential value and I have sodium reduction potential value. Who is less? Here this is minus 2.71 and here it is minus 0.74. So sodium is less. So here sodium will act as anode because lesser value anode. Yes or no? And less value is sodium minus 2.71. So lesser value will act as an anode and sodium as a lesser value. So sodium anode. So similarly chromium cathode. Clear? Okay. And they have not given that also cell reaction or cell representation, nothing. Just they have asked you to find what? E naught cell. So here E0 cathode, here E0 anode. Who is the cathode? Cathode is the chromium. So E0 Cr plus 3 slash Cr minus E0. Anode is what? Sodium. So sodium means Na plus slash Na. Clear? Now reduction potential value for chromium is given. Yes. How much? Minus 0.74 volt. Minus from the formula. Sodium reduction potential value is given? No. They have given the oxidation potential value, but we have converted into reduction potential value, because in question always we should use what? Reduction potential value only. So what is the sodium reduction potential value? Minus 2.71. So this minus from the formula, and sodium value itself is minus, so minus 2.71. Solve the problem. Minus 0.74 minus plus 2.71. Okay, minus plus subtraction, bigger number sign, so bigger number is plus, so plus, so 2.71 minus 0.74. So answer will be here 6, 7 here, 1, 16 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 9. Answer is 1.97 volt. Clear this part? Hope you. So for today itself, that's it. Another questions with another topic I will come in the next class. In another class we will try to solve standard hydrogen electrode, and we will solve the EMF series, and based on that we have many questions in the Nernst equation. So you can copy out or you can take a screenshot. Thank you.